Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Snap Incorporated, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin investing in Snap Incorporated, start by researching the company's business model and financial health. Visit Snap Incorporated's official website and review their investor relations section for recent news and earnings reports. Look into their growth potential and competitive positioning in the social media landscape. Next, assess your investment goals and risk tolerance. Decide how much capital you want to allocate to Snap Inc. based on your financial situation. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable platform that allows you to trade Snap Inc. shares. Complete the required verification process to fund your account. Once your account is funded, search for Snap Inc. using its ticker symbol, SNAP. Review the current stock price and market trends. Determine your buying strategy. Do you want to purchase shares all at once or use dollar cost averaging? Place your order based on your strategy and preferred number of shares. Monitor your investment regularly to track Snap Incorporated's performance. Stay updated on industry news and changes that may affect the company's stock price. Consider setting stop-loss orders to manage potential losses. After some time, evaluate your investment strategy and decide whether to hold, sell, or buy additional shares based on market conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.